Hello everyone. I am out in the garden right now and I'm so excited. It's not the weekend, but I got plans for the weekend, so let's go ahead and get everything done now. As you can see, I have my hair wrapped up, and that means that the braids are gone and the fro is here. Let me show you what it's looking like. We have what they are calling in Atlanta a faux fall. Feels like fall, but it is not fall. It's gonna be really nice these couple of days, and so yeah, we're taking advantage of it. Let me get started, okay? Y'all know I'm choosing joy. Time for the green beans to come up. Here are the squash. They're doing so well. This one in the pot, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna put it in the yard because it's not doing well. And look how these are thriving. Radishes. Look at that. Look at the bok choy. Now this is not being eaten alive by bugs. This thing is looking beautiful. Let's harvest. Now for the bok choy, left these little stems because, believe it or not, more bok choy will grow out of there. Tomatoes gone. Okay, I made it back in the house. It was a long day, but I got it all done. I will show you what I picked from the garden. The crazy thing about this okra that I purchased from Annie's Heirloom Seeds is that it is this big, but it is not woody. It still tastes good, so that is amazing. I have these and I'll be harvesting seeds out of the ones that are super huge, because that's one that's really big. We're gonna taste it and see. Bok choy, green tomatoes that I'm going to let get red inside of the house, my radish and my green peppers. And now it's just time for me to make something really quick and easy for me and my husband to eat. Yum, 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 yum.